Okay, I'm hoping all of you are getting what we are trying to see here. So this shows one more parameter. Just wanted to explain you. So can you do one thing? Can you try one example with like why I have told you this suffix? You may need to use this suffix for the self join. So I want you to try the example that we have tried for the self join in SQL. You can try the same example in pandas self join. Okay, I'll give you it as a homework. Try this example. Okay, any example. For this, you may need to use this suffix. If we have a same column name, you just need to use the suffix there. Okay, so you can do this. Yeah, you can take it as a homework and work. It's just a simple work. Okay, you can. It's not a difficult thing. You can try this self join. Okay, so yeah, I think we are good on this. So there is one more function that is join. Okay, so I'll explain you. So join function is there. So do you need a break, guys? Can we take a break for 5 minutes? Let's have a break for 5 minutes. After the break, we'll see.
Yes.
I was just creating the data frame. Okay, automate data frame and just wanted to pass the data is equal to dt something. Okay, and just this data frame, and it was simply printing this data frame. Okay, so we have this data frame, right? So what I'll do is I'll create one more data frame. Let's create a copy and paste it here. So instead of ID, I'm saying it as a NO number, some different naming I'm just giving 201, 202, 203, 204, and I'm just saying that population. Just give any random values 45,000. Okay, 33,500, 56,800, and something 12,900. Okay, yeah, just give it as a list. So DT2, data 2. Okay, so, so data might not be relevant, but try to understand the join function. Okay, relation something. Okay, and just print this. Okay. So this is what our second data frame. Okay, it's DT, not DT, it's a DT2. Okay, let's print it. Both the data frames. Okay, what happens? Are we not printing the first one? Copy this and paste it. Let's do this. Take both the data frames. Wait. It should be space, right? But what is happening here? This is the to take
Tab
the
should be there, I guess.
fine. Taking automatically fine. No worries. Let me copy the second data set as well. Copy this. Data. Split the column. Detect automatically. Yeah, perfect. Good. So no, I think again I'll do the splitting space. Okay, fine. No worries. Okay, so let's suppose this is what a data frame is. Okay, and there is a join function. Okay, so most of the parameters are similar. Okay, but this is one data frame dot join. Okay, then we need to give the other data frame. Okay, that is population. Okay, so if I do this and I'm storing it, or else I can print it. Okay, right? Print the result, or say df inner join result is equal to this one. Okay, I'm just storing it into this, and I'll be writing into a CSV. So does city underscore form underscore inner result. Okay, something else. Just give this data frame name dot this one. Okay. Or else we will be able to see the result. Fine, no worries. Let's execute this. What happens? And then we can print this result as well. Okay. Print this result as well. So this is what the result is. Can anyone able to guess what it is doing?
It is joining on the basis of index values of both the files.
It's doing the joins on the basis of what? Basis of index value by default. Okay, so some if you want to do like this join function will be used when you want to join the data based on the index values or the labels. Okay, so when you say inner join, you can see it here. It's 0, 1, 2. Is it? Let me see. 0, 1, 2 or 3. Okay, I think last वाला कॉपी नहीं किया क्या हमने श्रीनगर वाला कुछ. Okay, so it was 104, right? Let me say this one, paste it here, paste it here. So it's performing the join on what? It's performing the joins using the index value. So this is what it is. You can see it 0. And for 0, what it is matching? It's matching 0, 0, 0. Both are the matching, and it is fetching what? It is fetching the matching data. That is 101 Pune, 201, and this is what the population is. Correct? Got it? Yes or no? Are you guys getting it or not? Yes, no, say something so I can, if you're getting
Yes,
it,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
good. And rest all these properties will be there, okay? So if you see it here, other that data frame you have given on means we can give the condition, okay? How you want to join. So how by default, this is, it's a left join, okay? By default, it's a left join. Even if I do not provide the how parameter, right? It will be a left join. How I'm saying the left join, let's add one more record here, 105 and one, the city, just give this different city, that is Kochi, okay? Yeah, and let's execute it. So if you execute it, so see, so default join type is what? So see, from the left table we are getting it, but for the right table we don't have matching record, so it's giving us the null values, correct? So you can say it here, join function, okay? Join function by default, join will be used for, okay? Will be is convenient or say is useful pull to join two data frame based on the index value. Okay. And if we skip the join type, then left outer join is the default join type. Got it? Understood, right? The meaning of these two statements. Also wrong. Okay, default join type is what? Default join type means यहाँ पे हमने join type दिया है क्या? नहीं. So default join type of what? It's a left join. Default join type is left. Okay, got it? It's a left join. Please understand. Okay, but on the same result, okay, I'm adding the new record, that is 205, and one more 78000. Okay, so 205 78000, whatever it is. Okay, in this table we have, okay, but it will be, okay, I have to give the index manually then in that case. While creating the data frame, index is equal to, can give 0, 1, comma 2, comma 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 4, and let's suppose 5. Okay, this is what the index value I'm giving, or else let's start with, I hope you're getting it what I'm trying to say here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and here I'll give the index value 1, 2, 3, 7, comma 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. For 6, we have added one more record here. Or let me do one thing. Let me copy this to the new sheet. So should not be any confusion. 105 Kochi. Okay, so this 105 Kochi is the city, and 4, 6 we have given. This is what one data set, correct? In another data set, I think we have added one more record here, that is 205 78 78,000 205 05 and 1 2 3, and what was that? 6 8. What was that?
7 8.
7, correct. 7 8. So what is the result of left join on this two tables if we perform? So if we do this, execute it, it's getting executed. I think this result we are passing it as an inner result, not inner result. Let me. So what it is writing into this? Okay, without, you can see it here, without a join condition, it's writing. Okay, so I'll say the default result. Default result. Okay. So remove this one, execute this. It's not executed. Let me copy this. The default result, open it in the notepad. Okay, and you will be able to see the default result. This is what the default result. So What is this result? Can anyone explain me?
Based on the matching index value, it is giving the records, and for the other records, by default, it is using the left join.
Correct. So default join type is a left one. Okay. So in case of a merge, it was the inner join. Default join type is left join. Okay. If you want to change the join type, you just need to say what? Just copy this. Okay. Paste it here. Print the something star here. And you just need to say what? How you want to join. You can say inner, right, whatever you want to do. Okay. Cross. Say outer. Okay. Outer and indicator is also, it should be the right indicator. Indicator, don't we have indicator? It should be there, right? Mm, okay, fine. So let's do one thing. Use the single quote. You can see the options here. Just search for the join. Data frame not join. This is what you need to open. Validator is there, indicator is not there. Fine, no worries. So on, you can give the condition how you can give, how you want to join it. L suffix, R suffix, okay, left table ke suffix you can give, right table ke suffix you can give. There is the same column name. It will take that suffix and will rest all लेफ्ट फ्रेम ओवरलैपिंग द कॉलम्स जो भी ओवरलैपिंग कॉलम्स है उसके लिए ये सफिक्स दे रहा है ठीक है तो रेस्ट ऑल वैलिडेटर सॉर्ट ये सारे पैरामीटर सेम ही रहेंगे ठीक है ऑन यू नीड टू गिव द कंडीशन हियर सो यू कैन डू द कॉलम और इंडेक्स लेवल so basically it will be used to caller join on the index in the other okay otherwise join the index on index so by default it is doing the join on index okay so this is how it is. So if you router and execute it, so see it here. If you copy this, are we writing this outer into this result? We are writing it into default. Okay, I don't want to do this. It should be if I say it should be what outer. Copy this, paste it here. It should be outer. Execute it. Okay, go to this and open it in the notepad. Copy this and paste it here. This is the result of what outer. Okay. So if you split it, you will be able to see the difference. What is the difference? It's performing the default join on what? It is performing the join on this index column. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can explore it if you want, but basically, have you understood the difference between merge and join? Join basically हमें अगर इंडेक्स पे ज्वाइन यूज होता है बट सिक्वल लाइक ज्वाइन आपको करना है जैसे सिक्वल में हमने ज्वाइन कर किए थे तो मर्ज फंक्शन जो है ये ज्यादा क्लो मतलब क्या बोल सकते हैं उसको अपन मीन्स क्लोजली रिलेट कर सकते हैं मर्ज फंक्शन को ठीक है और ये ज्वाइन फंक्शन जो है ये इंडेक्स पे ज्वाइन के लिए ज्यादातर यूज होता है बट रियल टाइम में मर्ज ही ज्यादा यूज होगा क्योंकि इट्स क्लोज रिलेटेड टू आवर सिक्वल ज्वाइन ओके अंडरस्टूड क्लियर है सबको यस नो मे बी नॉट क्लियर कुछ तो बोलो हेलो
Yes, got it.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Fine, then I think if you want to explore, you can explore this, the condition options and all. And while doing this, while accessing this website, you will be able to see some relevant methods as well. So if you open join, you will be able to see the merge. If you see for the merge, it is simply saying that for column on column operation. Okay. And if you click on merge, you will be able to see the join in suggestion. Join see. Similar method using indices means using indexes. Okay. So this is what it is. So I think we are good. I think even if you do these things, we are good on the join part. Okay. So, okay, let me go to this case statement. Oh, operators. So in pandas, we don't have this set operators. What we can say, we don't have a set operators like inbuilt functions like intersection, minus, union, and all. But I can give you the hint. We can do it. Set operators. I can give you the solution. You can try this. Okay. So if you want to perform the union, already we have union all. Already we have performed, if you remember, when we have performed this union all, to insert the multiple rows. Do you remember that? No? How we can insert the multiple rows? How you can do this? Create two data frames. Okay. Have two data frames with same name of the columns and data type. Okay. And we can merge it or combine it using concat function. Okay. We are running out of time, but therefore I'm just telling using what concat function. Correct. ये एग्जाम्पल हमने देखा भी है. सो आपको कॉनकैट फंक्शन एक्सप्लोर करो. व्हेन वी हैव सीन जब मल्टीपल रोज कैसे इंसर्ट करते हैं डेटा फ्रेम में, उस टाइम हमने ये देखा है. ठीक है. यूनियन में क्या डिफरेंस है? आप क्या करोगे? यूजिंग कॉनकैट फंक्शन एंड जस्ट यूज व्हाट फंक्शन?
Drop duplicates.
Drop duplicate function to remove the duplicate records. Okay. Then intersection, simply have two data frame, with same name of the columns, and perform the inner join using merge function. You will get the output of intersection. माइनस का कैसे मिलेगा? You know that, right? Left only, right only, indicator column and all.
Yes, sir.
So perform left join using merge function with indicator parameter and filter the records based on left only or right only. So already we have seen this. Rakshit asked this question, right? We'll get a minus right result. We'll get the record that is from the left table only. और जहाँ पे भी same name है, you will get that. So if you follow these things, you will get all the output, union, all, union, intersection, and minus. There is something called means what? Minus of both. So anyways, we are going to see this in the PySpark as well. where we have a direct function. But if you want to do it in the pandas, this is what the method is, and I am expecting you to do this. And also check for the case statement. There are multiple ways using which you can do the case statement, and this one I am expecting from you. Join, I think we are good. Okay, so apart from this, on the pandas, there are two to three functions only we are pending with, that is iter row and some iterables functions we are going to see. Then we are good with the pandas. I think we have seen the enough things on the pandas. We'll have one more session on the NumPy, then we are done with the advanced Python, and after that we'll be starting with the PySpark from the coming Monday. Okay, so I was planning to take this session tomorrow, but I don't see any response from your side. We are good, no worries. If you want to take off, you can take off. We'll start it from Monday. From Monday, we'll see two functions, like few things that is pending from the pandas, iter row and all. So that we'll see, and NumPy. Okay, we'll cover those things on Monday, and Tuesday to Friday, we'll try to finish the PySpark. Okay. So I think we are good here. Let